On today's boats, we have a lot of tools and a lot of accessories. And what I like to do is try to utilize them the best I can. And one thing I like to do a lot, I think is overlooked, is I like to basically dictate how I approach an area based off of the tools that I'm going to use. And one thing in shallow water that I really like to do is utilize my power pole. And with today's forward-facing sonar like Active Target, I can't utilize that when I'm using an anchor mode or a spot lock on my bow mount. And so what I like to do is either if I catch a fish or I'm coming up to an area, a rock pile or a weed edge, is I always facing downwind. And what this allows me to do with only one power pole is when I get to that area or I get that fish on, all I simply do is power pull down. I have the foot pedals up here in the front, and I can drop the anchor down, and I can simply keep my boat facing downwind, so I can really fine-tooth comb that without having basically coming from downwind. If I power pull down, my boat is going to pivot itself all the way back around. And so with being power pulled down right now, I can still scan with Active Target facing the same direction here. And a lot of times I can stay on that school of fish or keep making that repeated cast that I may have just caught a fish. So, you know, keeping in mind the direction that you approach these areas, a lot of times can make you a lot more efficient, and obviously at the end of the day, put a lot more fish in the boat.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.